guys, good morning. 6th day in Thailand. Hello sir. Yeah, so guys, today we're gonna try to get ourselves a car. We're gonna rent the car and we're gonna go straight to the central mall because I need to buy the shorts. Look at this, a dress place in this house. Look at this. Damn, that's so clean, right? Damn, it don't smell at all. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. So let's wait our grab. Yeah guys, we need the car. We need to go to the province. We need to see what's happening in the province nearby. Oh yeah, it's very, very close. I will get the money ready also because I want to give the money right away. 50 baht. Then I will go take the SkyTrain because then I don't know. I just cannot drive with the motorbikes no more for a while. My butt is hurting so badly. Yeah guys, I want to say also, why my phone is vibrating? Guys, also I want to say all the... Hello sir. Here. Keep the change also, thank you sir. Damn, I'm receiving so many messages. I just don't have time to reply. Guys, thank you so much. All the good words and support. Oh yeah, sir, thank you so much. Oh yeah, thank you. Did you have a nice scooter, NMAX? Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Today is nice weather, it's not that hot. It's a little bit cloudy. Hello sir, I want to go Central Mall.
Central Mall.
Yeah.
47 baht.
Yeah. Thank you so much. What's the number? 1 or 2? 2. Thank you sir, thank you. Number 2. Yeah. Hello sir. So they have number 1 is going this way, number 2 is going in the other way. So let's try to buy something to drink. Oi. Turtle, circle. So I think the water was in this direction. No. Yeah. Where's my water? Damn, I always have to look for my water. Or whatever actually. Let's buy this. Let's take vitamin. Miss, can I pay here? Can I pay here?
Yes.
Oh, that's perfect.
Hi, water.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Hi, Bloco. It was number 2, right? I think so. Damn, I forgot already. Damn, my brain is so bad. Oh yeah. Damn, look at this. No people at all. We're gonna have a nice long drive now, like 50 minutes probably. So guys, we're out. Yeah. Hello sir, how are you? Yeah. That's where we're gonna go. Look at this, a Central World. Then look at this, how big it is. Yeah. Damn, Lord, please give me pants today. Damn. What are they doing? They're just blocking the road. Advertisement. Now I need to find the store that I went yesterday. Damn, that's gonna be a mission also. Oh la la. Damn. I have to be super careful because guys, I don't wear underwear. Yeah, damn, look at this. We have nice jeans now. Oh la la. Damn, not bad, right? Damn. Miss, thank you so much. I will get this. So they cost this much. Let's see how much is that in USD. This much.
You need a paper bag, start to buy.
No, it's okay. Just put it in my backpack. Oh yeah, guys, tomorrow we're gonna look so fancy. Now I can buy different style of shoes also. I don't have to wear shoes like this. I can buy those Nike shoes, you know. Yeah, we can wear something like this. Damn. Why am I getting so sick on a metro? I will go to this big Lotus mall. I will buy Salmon. And later, guys, today we're gonna go to the Red District in night time. Let's see what's happening over there. Songkran Festival. It's gonna be 12, I think, in 2 days. Hello, miss. When you have the festival? 12. In 2 days. Yeah, thank you, miss. Everybody will make you wet in the city. We have to be careful, guys, with our camera. It's so nice. They made the Philippines. I didn't have a store like that. What is this? A raw salmon and cooked salmon. Damn, I'm so hungry already. Let's buy cheese also. Buy a big one. Yeah. Please be taxi somewhere. Oh, there is taxi. Where I will get my taxi, boss? Yeah, then we're home almost. Now we're gonna go eat alone, like a little rat. Let me have a light. Ooh. Damn, this cheese is oh good. Ooh. Perfection. So now we're gonna try to get the car. I'm getting my Wi-Fi. Yeah. Damn, this guy is working so fast. You're a very good job. Good job, boss.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. What about upload? Damn, that's so good. Sir, thank you so much. Damn, I can't believe the guy came here with just 5 minutes. He just gave me everything. Look at my speed, guys. Damn, that's so good internet. So guys, let's go to the 7-Eleven. I need to get some money for the car. And let's buy water also. So we have an issue. I don't have the key for the parking. I text the owner that I need to have a key for the parking. Otherwise, the 1 hour is 100 baht. Damn, I'm not gonna pay that 1000 baht every day. That's like 30 USD, I think. Yeah, we need to get the key before we're gonna get the car. Yeah. Then the card that I'm using right now, I can only take out 20,000, like 600 USD. So I got all the good water. That's all they have. There's no sugar added. Let's take this also. And caramel. Damn, the caramel was the best. Yeah, damn, we got all the good stuff. My bag is so heavy. Damn, thank God I have a very good bag. A strong one. Damn, that's crazy. The ping pong show. Damn, there's no way you know what's the ping pong show, guys. That's what I heard. Like the woman will put the ping pong in the vagina and they're gonna shoot that out. Damn, that's so weird. A snake. Can you eat this? Can you eat this? How does it taste? Is it good? Scorpion. Wow. Guys, we are so early. It's not even 10 p.m. right now. It's gonna go even more crazier. So guys, then we got back home. That's crazy. Then the place, I don't know, that alcohol drinking, you know, it's not my thing. I don't like drunk people also. Let them enjoy their life, you know. I just don't want to be there. Whoo. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.